What's up, YouTube Nation? Thanks for joining us again on the griddle, guys. Got griddle guy Nate. Chris is behind the camera.
How you doing?
Jeff's gonna be out on the griddle.
He was out there. He disappeared. He'll be back.
Around. Anyways, doing more game day eats for football season. Booyah! We're doing a lot today. We got sliders 4 ways. So we're gonna do a pulled pork slider. Got another video on pulled pork that we're gonna post. Did that in the pressure cooker in 35 minutes. Comes out delicious. We're going to do a bacon, mushroom, and cheddar slider. We're going to do a lobster and burger slider. Then we're going to do a mushroom, onion, jalapeno cheese slider. To go as a side, we're going to fry up the crispy crowns, nice and crispy on the griddle, and top them with mozzarella and bacon crumbles.
Cheese and bacon.
Cheese and bacon. Should be delicious. We're also doing this Smashburger style. So, hey, we found Jeff.
Jeff is
Look,
there.
there he is.
Jeff.
Bacon. All right.
Bacon test.
Finally here, not absent for this video. But anyway, so we're going to do all that. That's what's going to be our game day eats. These come out delicious. We'll take you through it.
So right now Chris is rolling out the burgers because we're doing smash burgers. I'm just going to make meatballs medium size, and that way when we smash them it'll end up fitting the slider buns that we're going to be toasting in a minute. So after we get that done, we'll take you out to the griddle and we'll start the process. So in order to get everything out nice and warm for 18 people or for 18 burgers, we're going to go ahead and we're going to toast the buns first. We're going to put them off to the side. After we toast the buns, we're going to go ahead and cook the taters, as far as the tater crowns. Get a crisp on them, again, put them off to the side. And then once the burgers are down and everything is ready, we'll throw the taters back on to cheese them and bacon them and crisp them up, get everything good to go. So I'm going to throw down the buns at this point, give them a little toasting, and then like I said, we'll throw that off to the side. As you can see, we got all the buns nice and crispy, nice toast on them. We just threw some oil down on the griddle. We're going to drop the tater crowns.
I'll do these first, put them off to the side, just for a little bit. Then we're going to throw them back on after we get the burgers just about done. Throw some cheese and bacon on them.
And these are frozen.
These are frozen. All right, I believe. All right.
What are you doing for a heat on these?
I got these at high right now, but I'm going to turn it down because I don't want them to burn. I'm going to turn it down a little bit. Let them sit for a couple minutes on each side. Shouldn't take long at all. They'll be done.
And as with everything, you want the griddle to be hot enough where the oil doesn't just soak into the tater tots.
Get that nice
So the tater crowns, you get a nice sizzle. So that way it starts to crisp it and it doesn't get too oily.
So we'll cook these up and we'll get back.
This is going to be tricky to bring together right at the end because we have 17 burgers, 4 different kinds, and a side. So we're cooking the tater tots, get them real crispy. You can see these are pre-brown already. You want to get them even more brown. Okay. Chris has the mushrooms going as the topping for the burger, but we're going to put those off to the side and just keep them on a burner that's probably off. That's going to be a topping for the burger. When we get to the burgers, okay, you're going to have all your toppings ready to go because the smash burgers cook really fast. We're going to put them on, smash them, let them cook a minute or two, flip them, and then top them and cheese them. Yeah, so you want those looking about that crispy. All right,
Getting ready right now to throw the burgers on. Jeff's going to just lay them all out, and then he's going to smash each one individually. We got our toppings all ready to go. We got the pulled pork right there. We got the lobster right there, the 3 different cheeses. That bacon's for the cheesy fries that we're going to do. We have off to the side right now. That bacon is for some of the sliders.
Cheddar bacon. Cheddar bacon sliders.
Cheddar bacon sliders, right.
And these are smash burgers.
Okay. Yeah, the important thing here is when you smash these, they're going to cook really fast, so you're going to have all your toppings ready to go. As soon as you flip them, you're going to top them, and you're going to have everything ready to go inside. This last step happens really, really quick. And what heat are we doing on these?
Medium heat, that's it?
Yeah, medium. Medium all the way across. He's hungry.
All right. Yeah, that one's perfect right there, Jeff. That's the thickness you want. So we're gonna just let these sit for probably about 3 minutes on one side. We're gonna flip them and then we're gonna load them up with their toppings.
We need enough pulled pork for at least 4. So
This heat is up. I don't know if you want to turn it up a little bit. I think
I'm
it's
actually going to start it here and move it over.
All right. Nice job with the smashing, Jeff. You did great.
And remember, you got to have these toppings ready to go.
Lobster on.
The lobster's on the off burner. We don't want to overcook it. Just toss with butter.
Just want to melt the butter.
Warm it up a little bit.
Yeah.
So we need 4 burgers. Let's say 1, 2 and a half. We'll put it all on. Let me,
Want to check that first row, Jeff? See if they need to be flipped?
still a couple, I think he's got time. I want to throw another minute up front.
Yeah. Okay.
Let me run those in and wash them.
You throw the bacon on to warm it up? No. Nice little view here.
Time to flip.
Okay, we are back. Getting ready to flip. Yeah.
Oh,
Got a nice
look at
crust
that.
on there.
That looks good.
A nice little close up.
What are those first for?
Pulled pork.
Pulled pork. Pulled pork. All right.
Over here, yeah.
So that's what they're saying. Right when you flip them, you got to be ready to go with the topping.
And then, let me do the next 4 with the mushrooms, you think? Or do you want to do,
Just call.
Yeah, we'll throw the mushrooms on the next 4.
All right, let's see if I can't really get them to.
and for the pulled pork, we're doing American cheese? Is that right?
Yeah, pulled pork with
There
American.
you go. There's 4 slices. And we're doing the jalapeno for the mushrooms.
Yep. Thank you.
And then these 4 right here, we'll do the
Lobster. Stick that right on there.
No cheese on the lobster though.
Yeah.
We took a vote.
Hey, you want to? Yeah.
Yep. Yep.
So I think those pulled porks are just about ready to come off.
Yep. We'll pull them as soon as Jeff gets the hell out of the way.
And then you get. Why don't you guys switch sides?
Okay. Good.
You gotta put those cheese on the bacon burgers there. You see how quick this went? You actually need. This should be very tough to do by yourself.
It would be.
For 17 of them. That's what we're cooking. We got 17 sliders going.
Sorry.
Now this is making a mess of your griddle. Okay.
You short one piece of cheese? Short one piece. We'll do a little mozzarella on that.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Sliders are done. Sliders are done.
Look good.
So we're gonna finish plating these up. Just put them right on there. We're gonna take them inside. I'm gonna bring out the potatoes Get those warmed up, throw the cheese on them and the bacon, and then we'd be ready to go. Oh, Jeff's already got the potatoes. Look at that. Those are what we cooked earlier. We're just going to throw them on with the pan, right? We're going to leave the pan right on there?
No. They're going back on the griddle.
They're going back on the griddle?
Okay. Yeah, after we scrape it, though.
Yeah. Oh, easy with pulling shrimp in there. I mean, lobster. Lobster.
Ouch!
Oh,
that hurt.
Gotcha. That'll be on the bloopers reel.
That was a mushroom exploding. Alright, so we pulled all those burgers. They're inside, cooling off or resting before we serve. This is the last step. Get the bacon cheesy tater tots done. So you remember these? We did them a little bit ago. Throw them back on the griddle on high heat, and we're warming the bacon up. And this is going to seem a little counterintuitive, but we're okay if the cheese starts to melt right on the griddle. All right.
Oh, it's good.
Just gonna go wash this.
Hey, you got any of that green onion left? No. No? That looked nice in here right now. Alright, so we're going to let that go for another couple minutes.
Crisp it all up.
Crisp it all up, then we're going to mix it all up, melt it all together. We'll take it off. We'll show you when we're all done. It looks good so far. Yeah, we're just going to toss them, get them all mixed up. Oh yeah, a little bit on the bottom. There we go. Oh, that looks nice.
Pull it off? Yep, pull it off.
Good.
Try to make a single layer if you can.
Okay guys, so we're all done cooking. Let's take a look at what we're dealing with. We got our plates ready to go, buns, 4 different type of sliders, all kinds of stuff to put it on. We got some fixings to add top, and then we got the fries over here with the cheesy and bacon that are not burnt at all. They look beautiful. They came out perfect. Kudos to Jeff, did a great job.
Thanks for watching guys. Like, subscribe, we'll keep putting up videos. Enjoy the game.